Hello, my name is Michael DeLay, and today I will be talking about Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Creedence Clearwater Revival was an American rock band which recorded and performed from 1968 to 1972. The band consisted of primary songwriter John Fogerty, his brother rhythm guitarist Tom Fogerty, bassist Stu Cook, and drummer Doug Clifford. In 1967, the band changed their name from the Golliwogs because of the racial charge of the name to Creedence Clearwater Revival. Historical context and analysis of the song Fortunate Son. The song was published in 1967, which was time of war for America in the Vietnam War. This song is about the fortunate and unfortunate sons of America during the Vietnam War. Social and cultural relevance today. This song talks about how the wealthy are favored when people were drafted. Today, many can argue that with money, you can and will be protected. People are not as fortunate as the rich people in today's society, and the rich can get out of things where the people who are in the middle class or lower class can't, just based on their status of money. My question is this song true about how America was run during the Vietnam War in the 1960s? Is it true that rich people were not drafted, and if they were, how did they get out of it with their family's wealth? Do you guys think it's fair that with this money you can get out of being drafted into a war? Thank you.